Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here joining me for another video. I can't believe we're doing another video. It's almost March, you guys. I feel like this months have gone by so fast. I feel like I was only celebrating the New Year's like last week. Anyways, today's video is going to be about how to find the perfect career. When I say the perfect career, I mean the perfect career for you. Not for anybody else, not your family members, but for you. So stay tuned if you want my 5 tips on how to find the best career for you. Tip number 1. I'm looking at my phone because, as usual, I write everything down. First one. There is no rush into finding the perfect career. When I say there's no rush, I really mean if you are like 19, 20, even 30, there is no rush to find the perfect career, because you know what? You're gonna find a job that you like, and then you're not gonna like it anymore in 10 years. So what about finding the best career for you? I'm not saying as single moms that we don't have to work, but even if we're working, let's say we work a dead-end job for maybe a year. I've done it for about 5 years. I worked a dead-end job so that I can get my dream career. So I had time to think about what I really want to do in my life and what kind of career I wanted to get into before leaping into something that I didn't even like. Okay, second one, pick 5 dream careers that you would love to do. And I know as single moms it's hard to put yourself first, but what are the careers that you would enjoy doing? Even if you have shared custody or whatever the case may be with your child, or if you have parents that can watch your child, what about shadowing somebody in your dream career for a weekend? Or even taking a day off. I know that's a crazy idea, but take a day off and shadow somebody from a company. Say, you know what, listen, I was thinking, is this gonna be my dream career? Like, I'm not saying if your dream career you want to be a doctor, but if you do want to be a doctor, shadow a doctor or shadow a nurse. Or I don't know, if you want to be an administrator, like shadow administrators, see if that's what you want to do. Maybe you want to be an accountant. Shadow an accountant, just so that you figure out if that's your true career. Just take some time to live your best life. Just because we're single mom doesn't mean that we have to stop dreaming. I get it. Our kids are our focus, but you still have to have a wonderful life yourself. Tip number 3, visualize it. That was big. If you watch my how I bought my first house at 24, it was because I visualized it. I looked at what I really wanted. For me, my personal career right now is so great. I'm doing exactly what I want to be doing. Why? Because I visualized it. I said to myself, you know what? I don't want to be working a 9 to 5 every single day. I don't want to have to work from home all the time. I don't want to be at work all the time and never see my child growing up just because I'm a single parent. I made those my priorities. When you make certain things in your life a priority, then you will live the dream that you want to live. So visualize yourself coming home early, having the job and the career that you really want. I get it. If you're working at McDonald's right now, you're thinking, is there anything better? Or if you're working a dead-end job, you're thinking, is there anything better? Yes, there is, because you know what? I've done it. And honestly, I'm only like 31. I'm 31 having the career that I really wanted to be in. Come on, it really works. Trust me. Tip number 4, pick a career. I know, I told you, you don't have to rush. I told you should take your time. But after a while, you do have to pick a career. Pick something that you can do in the meantime, if you have to, before you get to your career. Because you know what? Let's say you want to go back to school, but let's say you need $5,000 to get back to school. Save that $5,000 by working that job, and then figure out, say, you know what? Maybe my mom or my cousin or my so-and-so can watch my child while I go to school. Or maybe I could save some money so I could take some time off of work so that I could focus on my dream career. Like, figure out what you need to do to live a better life, okay? That's huge. Pick a career that you really want to do, okay? So when I say pick a career, it doesn't have to be your dream career. It doesn't have to be the last career that you could think of doing. It just means that you try it, you see if you like it. If you don't like, let's say for me, I want to be an accountant. If I sat there and I was an accountant and I work with an accountant, I work in an accounting office. Let's say maybe I was a receptionist or an administrator for an accountant. I can tell by watching their stress levels if I'm gonna like that job or not. And I try it for myself. If in a year I don't like it, I switch jobs, but stay for a year. Do not go and try that job for 6 months, or sorry, not 6 months, 3 months. Stay there for 1 year. See how you like it. Learn, get tips, get tricks, and then move to your own, like your dream, okay? But I know as single moms, we have to work. So work at something that is gonna bring you to your dream career. Last tip, if you cannot make a decision, let's say you cannot make a decision for your life. You cannot find a career, the career of your dreams, okay? And like you have the 5, you went through your list, you did everything I said, and you still can't find the right career, okay? Try one of them. Don't be crazy. Don't stay in limbo. Just try one, okay? Let's say you wanna be a fisher woman or man, okay, let's say. You wanna do that. Try it. Try it for 6 months. Just jump into it, okay? Just try it. I know it's hard, but say, you know what? I'm not gonna work at McDonald's. I'm gonna quit my McDonald's jobs. I know. Girl, yeah, I know. I hear you. I'm hearing you. You got rent to pay. You got bills to pay. You got childcare to pay. I get it. But trust me, before you quit your job, find the other job. Guarantee that you're gonna start working, let's say on Monday morning. Do it for 6 months, okay? See how much money you're gonna make. If you're gonna make good money, take the job. And if you don't like it, okay, you can leave. Nobody's forcing you to stay in that career, okay? And I know you might think, you know, your bills are forcing you, or the things that are going on in your life is forcing you. No, they're not. If you watch my other videos, I showed you how to budget, how to save, how to do what you need to do. So come on, you have to live your dream now. You only have one life. Even as a single mom, you have one life to live. So why don't you just live it, okay? I have an 11-year-old son, and I'm looking for my new thing that I would love to do. Alright guys, camera just died, sorry. But live your full life. Don't be afraid to jump out of your comfort zone and actually take control of your own future, okay? So anyways, I hope you liked my tips. And if you didn't, comment below. If you did, comment below, all right? Follow me on social media. Do what you do. Anyways, I make videos every single Sunday. And I do have a blog, so you can go check me out there. I am out.